You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me.
Tulog na si Mela, guys. So, kakadating ko lang dito sa bahay. At ayan yung nadatnan ko. Tulog na si Mela. Ayan o, ang ganda-ganda ng baby ko. Miss na yung mama. Miss na